In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your credit score with Bank of America in 2025. Staying on top of your credit score is crucial as it not only reflects your financial health, but can also have a significant impact on your ability to secure loans, get favorable interest rates, and even rent an apartment. Knowing how to regularly access and understand your score can help you manage your financial future effectively. And fortunately, Bank of America makes it possible for you to easily check your FICO score through their online portal. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Bank of America online account. To do this, open your web browser and head over to the Bank of America login page. Enter your credentials, that is, your user ID and password, and navigate to your account overview. In case you've forgotten your login details, there's usually an option right there to help you retrieve or reset your information securely. Once you're in, keep an eye out for the FICO score link, usually situated within your account summary. This feature is part of the bank's initiative to help users stay informed about their credit health. By clicking on this link, you'll be directed to a dedicated section where your current FICO score is displayed. This score, updated monthly, is a critical component of the credit assessment process used by many lenders. Now, not only is your FICO score visible, but Bank of America also provides an in-depth explanation of the various factors affecting it. Here, you can click further into the score details. This breakdown can give you a richer understanding of what contributes to your score and how various elements such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age can either positively or negatively impact it. Equipped with this information, you can better strategize on how to boost your score if necessary. It's a good practice to check this section regularly. By doing so, you can track any changes over time and swiftly identify any discrepancies or unexpected drops. Regular monitoring of your credit score is one of the best preventive measures you can take against identity theft and errors that might occur in your report. Should you spot anything odd, it's important to address it promptly. So there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to monitor one of the most crucial numbers in your financial life using Bank of America services. Keeping this process part of your regular financial routine can empower you with the knowledge needed to maintain and improve your financial health. By taking these few minutes each month to check your score, you're investing in a more secure and informed financial future. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more tips on managing your personal finances.